Alright, here is your quick saw guide on how to power up. Go to the switch down here, turn it on, everything comes on. Give it a little second for it to load. You're going to end up, as it loads, hitting the master start. It's going to say 0 bar feed before starting. You want this bar feed towards you, and then you hold it, and you hold it, and you hold it, and you hold it until it resets. And then at that point, you are on and ready to go. Alright, bandsaw blade cuts through, touches bottom, raises up to hit the top limit switch, feeds in the next part, closes the vise and feeds downward, goes and gets ready to grab its next pull.